Hey guys, currently, oh, this is so embarrassing. Okay, currently on the way to a cat cafe. I'm gonna go there and lock in. I'm very excited. It's my first time here. It's called the Perfect Bean, and it's like a 10-minute walk from my dorm. But no, like 15. I'm 10 minutes late right now. But yes, I'll see you guys there. Bye.
What the dog doing?
Hey everyone, I'm already crying. Yeah, they were getting in the
Oh my goodness. You wanna come up here? Okay. Hey girl.
But I think I see something looking at me
like that. Uh-oh.
Well, hello. Doing, Roy? You want my coffee? Come here.
Hey girl. Why are you trying to get into my bag? Hey! There's nothing in there. Nothing in there. Hey, I'm not complaining.
This orange is you right here.
Yeah, that's just
It
my
don't smell
umbrella
like
swing.
roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice. And look at that, girl.
Oh.
How you get?
You want a bag? Oh. Hey, kitty.
She's feeling
Whoa. Oh. Girl, that's you. Oh. So that's actually you. In the video.
Make a circle, make a circle. Get him up, let him get up, let him.
What are you doing? It's you. It's you. It's you.
I'm good, how about you?
How are you talking? You're so cute. Ah. Whoa. Oh. So, is there something in there? Ah. Oh shoot. Hello. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Okay. Hey. Oh. Oh wow, he's really You're very shy. okay if I pet you? Why are you giving me a side eye? Oh, you like it? You like it or you just tolerating it? Tolerating. Oh. Hi. You're so cute too. Oh, hey, you're right in front of my camera. Okay.
You get a warning.
Thank you too. Oh, you like it?
Entertainment. Thank you too.
Yes, Peter. Thank you, one.
When will it stop?
I know. Oh. Oh, you're coming out.
Hey, my ride coming. I'm leaving. Where are you going?
Hi, Katie. You're so sweet. Aw, that's so cute. Guys, why is recording in public the most embarrassing thing ever? Guys, we finished playing with the cats. Yes! I'm gonna order a matcha right now and then probably lock in for a little bit because I have some work to do. So I need to lock in. But, okay, bye guys. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is cute. It's so good. That's so good. What the heck? Wow.
Raspberry, like on its own. I've made raspberry syrup before. It is pretty hard.
Yeah, get into it.
Hey guys, out the cafe, about to walk home. I did a little bit of work inside. I did leave like the plug to my headphones, so I couldn't I did my project. I had to watch videos for it, and obviously I didn't want to play outside because I was nervous. And I look crazy. I look crazy. I need to cross the street, but I'm crossing the street right now because I want to take a little fit check because the fit is low-key kind of cheap. Oh, I can cross. Oh, hi doggy. Wait for that. This is embarrassing. Oh, I didn't say, but look in the vlog, the matcha was, oh, can't even see. The matcha was so freaking yummy to go. Hi, Chihuahua. The matcha was so,